Hello, audience. My name is Nicole, and this is Claudette, and Marigold is on the other side of the big box. Today we're going to be demonstrating to you the opening of the Dyson Oversize Origin. It has been exactly 11 and a half years since I bought the Dyson V6 Animal Cordless, and it finally has stopped working. It's so sad. I feel like we need to have a formal memorial service for it. But today, even though the lighting is not superb and I have the election coverage going on in the background, we shall show to you the opening of this glorious, brand new vacuum. So I have my child-proof scissors so that my dogs don't interfere with the blades, and if they do, they won't be hurt. But we ordered this off of Amazon. It had a special, it was a limited time deal, so it was $200 off the regular price, and they were offering those same prices for Prime Day and for, something else. But I did not take advantage of it because my other Dyson, it was starting to fail, but it still worked. And I'm kind of frugal. So, unless it involves getting exposed for my dogs. I think I just, am I entertaining you girls? Their tails are wagging, they're so excited. And as you can see, it takes a little bit of extra effort because they're putting their little heads by the blade, which is not desirable. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be a brand new world, girls. The suctioning is divine. Ooh, everything is wonderful about this machine. The Outsize Origon. Wow. It weighs 7.87 pounds, 15.87 with all of the attachments. Let's push this box out of the way, and let's open the actual product. Oh my goodness, it's so exciting. What do we have here, girls? So I'm a manic vacuumer, and I vacuum my floors a couple of times per day. This supposedly has a 1 hour battery runtime, which is amazing. My other was like, on its last leg, it was working for 3 minutes. Ooh, girls, we're going to have an extra clean floor. Maybe I'll start a cleaning business because I'm so excited about this. So excited. Everybody should have a Dyson. I bought my first Dyson in, like I said, 11 and a half years ago. Parting is such sweet sorrow, but it truly was a workhorse. And I'm grateful for it. And now I'm grateful for the opportunity to play with this new Mac Daddy. All right, so we have the body. Look at the body, girls. So nice. Oh. Oh boy, look at this nice body that we have. Ooh. Ooh. So the website showed it was more of a red, but this to me is pink, which is my preference. Okay, so we have a pink body, and the power is here. Oh boy, this is a nice, powerful handheld device. Holy cow, it's beautiful. Make sure it's perfect, that there are no issues with it. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. Wow. And we have an instruction manual which I will probably not read. And then we have the glorious attachments. We have the little straight shooters. I'd like to use this to clean between my weights by Bowflex. And then this bugger. You know what, I'm not going to unpackage it because I know I won't use this one frequently. But this guy, this is the one that I use to vacuum my sofa. It's also good for vacuuming the dog bed, which they're only allowed to use in the ladies' room because otherwise they're sleeping with me. So this is a nice flat tool. And then we have the power cord. Hello, new power cord. I think you can see it here around my dog. And, oh yes, I almost forgot. The bottom portion that runs along the floor. So this guy it's a floor hair detangler, and it's especially equipped to handle dog hair. Oh my goodness, so pretty. So I'm going to keep this whole thing so immaculately clean. And I hope it works as well as the first one did, for as long as the first one did. Okay, let's see. I think that is it. Oh no, we have the wall mount. Yes, this is the wall mount, which I can screw into the wall and dock it. Okay, that should be it for now. I'll let you know whenever we try out our Dyson. Thank you, Claudette. I love you too. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.